Okay, we're live.
Excellent. Thanks, Nick. Well, everyone, welcome to this Google Hangout about the Dev at Pulse event. We're really excited about Dev at Pulse. Dev at Pulse is a free 2-day event designed by developers for developers. It's being held February the 24th and 25th at the Hackathon nightclub at the MGM Grand in Las Vegas. And I'm joined here by a team that's going to be driving one of the hands-on labs at the event. The idea of the hands-on labs is that you'll be able to meet up with developers, play with the latest and greatest technology, including some IBM technology. Many of that will be powered by the cloud, and it will give you the opportunity to really build skills, expand your network, and get comfortable with learning about new technology that we have for you. So, joined by a team of folks that will be driving one of those labs. So, would you like to introduce yourselves? Should we start with Lee?
Yeah, sure. Thanks. So we're all on the IBM JStart team. We do a lot of kind of proof of concept, early technology partnerships with people wanting to get their feet wet, kind of with new and emerging technologies. A lot of fun projects, and what we're going to be demoing at BlueMix, is at Pulse, is our BlueMix platform. So we've been all kind of working on getting that up and running, especially getting samples and getting people onboarded. So.
Excellent, thanks, Lee. And Jay, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Jay Allen. I'm also a developer in the JStart group. I've been with the group about a year and a half. I was enterprise Java architect and developer for over a decade beforehand. I live in Minnesota, and I run every morning whether it's below zero or not.
Excellent. Good to hear. And Sanjay, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi. My name's Sanjay Joshi, and I've been with the JStart group approximately 6 months or so. I've had a past experience in performance technologies as well as manufacturing background, so I've kind of meandered my way along, but I'm really excited about the cloud and the opportunities that BlueMix offers as far as building services and applications. So.
Excellent. Thanks a lot, Sanjay. So I'm coordinating the hands-on lab, so I'll be at the event as well, obviously helping folks find the labs and get involved in them. But I know Nick has got some questions. So Nick, do you want to introduce yourself and fire away?
Absolutely. Thank you, Ben. Hi, so my name's Nick, and I'm basically the coordinator for all our kind of social engagements across Pulse. Any tweets you kind of see, that'll be kind of like coming from me, and orchestration of these Google Hangouts. So this is kind of the first of many we're going to be doing with all of our lab staff here, and we're really excited about some of the things that are going to be going on at Dev at Pulse. So I'll just be asking a few questions, kind of about kind of what's going to be going on at the labs, what developers are going to be getting the chance to get their hands on. So why don't I start with asking you, Lee, kind of. So what is it, developers, what are they going to be getting their hands on at the event in particular?
Yeah, sure. So there's going to be a variety of labs at the event, ranging from kind of fun, kind of robotic stuff to kind of some Node.js development, online development of applications. And then what our lab is actually trying out a platform as a service that is coming out of IBM called BlueMix. It's a way to help developers really focus on developing their applications and running those applications in the cloud. Awesome
stuff. And Jay, what is it developers should be bringing to this event for the ones who are attending? What should developers be bringing to make sure they can get the most out of what we're offering there as well?
Well, like I mentioned before, I'm an enterprise Java developer for years. I think there are a lot of developers like myself who are transitioning to more of the polyglot languages. So you're welcome to bring some Java code you have, and we can show you how in our BlueMix environment it can be either compiled. You might have to make a few changes to it and rebuild it and run it. Or you could take some code written in Python or Ruby or even Node, and we can show you how to deploy it. One of the neat things we have are some samples that analyze some social data, both Twitter and Facebook, written in 3 different versions or multiple versions in different languages. So you can start with Java, if you're familiar with that, if you're coming from the Java world, and see the same code written in Python, see the same code written in Node, see it written in Ruby, and then deploy it and run it in our cloud, our BlueMix environment, and see kind of the differences between all of that. Like I said, I'm a long-time Java developer, but spent the last year and a half learning Python, learning Ruby, and learning Node. So we can help you with any of those languages and kind of show you the differences and similarities between them.
That's awesome. So yeah, those developers, any developers who attend, they'll be getting the chance to learn those kind of really awesome code languages that are really relevant to a lot of kind of technologies kind of going forward today. And so how can developers actually go about kind of registering for DevPulse? Sanjay?
I think you can go to the website. There's a website. If you search for DevPulse, you can basically click on a registration link. You can also see the agenda for the full conference there and get a lot of details on the different activities planned. I think the labs themselves, there's also a little section that you can drill into.
Yeah, cool. So yeah, when we post this this video online, we'll kind of provide links all over kind of in the about section. So if you're watching this video now, just kind of look below in the details section, and you'll see a link there to so you can register for the event if you'd like to attend. Is there anything else anyone would like to kind of bring up or talk to or bring up about the event?
Yeah, let me just mention one more thing. So when you register for DevPulse, you should also get instructions for signing up for the closed beta for BlueMix. So it'll actually really help us giving the lab. It'll save you maybe 5 minutes or so, maybe 10. If you go ahead and follow those instructions, sign up for the BlueMix platform, and then we'll be able to kind of get you running with your own ID. So it's in closed beta, but DevPulse members will get accepted into the closed beta of the BlueMix platform.
Awesome stuff. And does anyone else have any kind of anything to add about the event, how they can get the most out of it if you attend?
Yeah, I like to say we're just looking forward to having some fun. Number one, it's in Vegas. It is warm, which for me is a huge deal. So I'm looking forward to coming down there and getting some of that nice desert heat. And also for any developer that's coming from a traditional environment, this is a lot of fun because you can concentrate on running your apps. You don't have to worry about getting servers, installing software, getting change tickets, all that stuff. In our BlueMix environment, the focus is on the developer and running their application. So we're really looking forward to meeting the developers and having some fun.
Yeah, and I think just to build on that, also, we're really looking for the input and feedback and dialogue. That's why we're going to have these as hands-on labs. We want to sit side by side and, kind of talk out, what do you like, what do you not like about it? We're trying to develop an experience where it's frictionless, where, you as a coder can get focused on the code and not have to worry about a lot of the peripheral sort of hassles and, things that bug you throughout your process. So I'm looking forward to it, and I think, we have a lot of cool labs planned related to mobile and related to, different polyglot languages like Node and a lot of scripting languages. So, bring your code if you have it. Otherwise, we have some fantastic samples that we're going to be showing as well, and hopefully it'll jazz us all up to dream up some new ideas. So, look forward to it.
Sounds awesome, yeah. Ben, do you have anything else to add about the event that's going to be coming up?
I think the team have covered it really well. I want to thank them for their time. I know that they're busy getting prepared for DevPulse. There's a lot of work we will be doing in advance of the event to make it really seamless and easy for developers to get involved. So I want to thank everyone for your time today. I guess finally, we've already heard about Jay's running habits. Anything else you guys want to add? Unusual, surprising things that you're involved in?
So, some people find my last name to be rather surprising.
I've been silly enough to jump out of an airplane not once but twice.
Excellent. Well, there won't be an opportunity to jump out of planes, I don't think, at DevPulse, but I'm sure there'll be a lot of fun. I know we've got Elvis Costello, well, I'm looking forward to seeing, and a band called Fall Out Boy, which I guess I'm showing my age because I don't really know too much about them. But I know it'll be a great time to share experiences and gain skills and build our networks, but also, as was said earlier, we'll have a lot of fun there as well. So thanks, everyone, for your time. as we said, Dev Pulse. It's a great developer event. February 24th, 25th. It's free to attend. So please follow the links that Nick mentioned earlier and get involved. And thanks everyone on the call. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Good to see you.
Bye.
Cheers.